Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to do a pretty fluid roll from lying to standing. I call this the Tornado Tim, and it's really fun to do unless the alliteration of Tornado Tim just strips you up and your name's not Tim, so it's probably not as fun. But if your name was Harry, you could call it the Hurricane Harry or the Harry Hurricane. That sounds weird. All that to say, hold on to your butts. We're about to spin around in circles. So what you do is, this is actually several rolls combined into one, and I'll try to make this all make sense for you. But we're gonna start on our back, and we're gonna do a head roll where we pick our head up, rotate our eyes and head around, and come up to the watching TV position, and then we're gonna do a frog roll, come up to sitting, we're gonna keep spinning, gonna come up into the SHINBOX, we're gonna keep spinning, and we're gonna stand on up out of it. So it's lying to standing while you roll. And that was kind of slow, but you could do it faster if you wanted to. Now this is a series of rolls. So the first roll is the lying on your back, just doing the head roll, which is a segmental roll without your arms. The secret to all these rolls is to lead with your eyes, then the head, then the body. So that again is eyes, head, and body. And that will string your rolls together, but it will make each roll more fluid too. So in slow motion. So we pick our head up, we take our eyes around, we roll to our belly. That's the first roll. And then from there, we're gonna do the frog roll where we look over our shoulder. We come to sitting, but we keep turning with the eyes and the head, keep turning with the eyes and the head, keep turning with the eyes and the head. Use that backhand to help us turn. We draw our legs short for the SHINBOX. And from here, we're gonna grow tall and step out of the SHINBOX, but we're gonna keep turning, 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 and then we're gonna stand up. Does that make sense? And you can do it both directions. Well, I guess if I'm doing it the other direction, I need to be on the other side. But it's eyes, head, frog roll, V-sit roll, SHINBOX roll, and I'm gonna twist on up out of the frame. Anyway, that is the Tornado Tim, or really the rolling flow from lying to standing. Play with that. You need room, you need some floor space, but it's really a fun way to string together your rolls, and the more you do it, the more fluid it gets. And well, I just think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, ties your body together. It's good for your brain, good for your body, good for you. Helps you move well throughout your day-to-day life. All right, give that a shot. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.